Alright, read the question carefully. You earn $7.50 per hour and need to earn $35. Okay? Write and solve an inequality to find how many hours you must work. That's the question. So you need to earn at least $35, and $7.50 is the amount of money that you make in an hour. So if you work X hours, okay, you must make more money than, at least you should make $35, right? You should make at least $35. So $7.50 times X, that's the number of hours you work, okay? It can be equal to 35 or it can be greater than 35, okay? So the inequality is 750 times X is greater than or equal to 35, because you don't have an option to make less than $35. You should make more money than 35 or equal to 35. That's the question. So let's solve this problem. 750 times X is greater than or equal to 35, right? That's the inequality. That's the inequality we were able to come up with before, right? We came up with before, right? So let's simplify that and solve it. So in order to solve this, what you can do, the first step is that you divide both sides with the 7.5, okay? So when you divide 7.5 X with 7.5, or 7.5 and 7.50 are the same, okay? You can divide it with 7.5 or 7.50, they are the same. So you will get here 7.5 and 7.5 cancels, and you will get X on the left hand side, okay? And on the right hand side you will get 4.67. So X is the minimum number of hours, right? X is the minimum number of hours that you need to work to make $35. So you work 4.67 hours or greater. You work either 4.67 hours or more than 4.67 hours. So you can make at least $35, okay? So the answer is, here's the answer, X greater than or equal to 4.67. And one more quick thing that I want to add is that if you have an option to work 4.67 hours, and sometimes you do not have an option to work like less than an hour, okay? You have to work either 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours or 5 hours. You don't have an option to work 4.50 hours or 4.67 hours, okay? So in that case, if you do not have an option to work less than an hour, in this case you should work 5 hours to make more than $35, right? Because you can either work 4 hours, if the rule is that you can either work 4 hours or 5 hours, you do not have an option to work 4.67 hours, okay? And in that case you had to work 5 hours to make more than $35. But I'm assuming that wherever this person works, he or she has an option to work less than an hour, and therefore I'm assuming that he has the option to work 4.67 hours and he can make $35, really the answer is, in order to make more than $35 or equal to $35, he should work 4.67 hours or more.